In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bank account to Xero. By the end, you'll have your bank feed connected, so transactions flow straight into Xero, saving you time and reducing manual entry. Start on your Xero homepage for the organization you want to connect. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage bank accounts. It also helps to have your online banking login details handy, since you'll be asked to authenticate with your bank during the process. From the main navigation, click Accounting. This drops you into the area where you'll manage your financial features. Next, open bank accounts. This is where all your existing accounts and connections live, and it's where you'll add new ones so Xero can bring in transactions automatically. In the top right, select Add Bank Account. This begins the secure connection flow. You'll see a search screen with popular banks and a search bar. Type the exact name of your bank to find the correct connection for your region. If your bank has multiple options, choose the one that matches your account type. Such as everyday accounts, savings, or credit cards. Accurate selection here ensures the feed works correctly. For demonstration purposes, I'll choose a sample account to show you the steps. In your own setup, pick your actual bank. Xero will now guide you to a secure consent screen. This page explains who the data provider is and what information will be shared with Xero, like transactions and basic account details, so the feed can function. When you're ready, click. Continue to proceed to your bank's login. Follow the on-screen login procedure from your bank. This typically includes entering your online banking credentials and completing any required multi-factor authentication. Many banks will also ask you to select which specific accounts to connect if you have more than one, and to confirm how long you want to share data. Choose the accounts you use in Xero and confirm. After you finish the bank's steps, you'll be redirected back to Xero. You may be prompted to confirm the account name, type, or currency so it matches your chart of accounts. Once confirmed, the bank feed connection is active. Initial transactions might appear within a few minutes, though some banks can take a bit longer. When the feed arrives, you can start reconciling using Xero's suggestions to speed things up. If you don't immediately see transactions, give it a little time and refresh. Double check that you selected the correct bank and account, and that your access permissions are up to date. That's all it takes to link a bank account to Xero and streamline your bookkeeping.